Welcome back to Surprisingly Geeky. I'm Patrick / on debit. This is Holly and LunarDawn, and we're playing Ratchet and Clank.
Holden.
Holden?
Yes.
Like Holden Field?
What?
I feel like that's a name.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Your minions are stuck on the other side.
That's because I gotta open this door.
Yeah. Oh. We'll open it.
I'm getting there.
Don't leave your minions in
I'm
the
getting
hole.
there, bitch.
They're
Don't tell me what to do.
They're scared without you. They need your guidance.
Okay. Let's go. Alright. Meet your brother. His name is Jenga. Boop, boop. Boop. What am I missing?
What's going on?
Nothing is. Apparently I could just run right through that. Just sort of figured there was something more to that. Then press button and run for it. No! Whoa! Tripping from the ceiling.
Why is it just dripping in that one little area?
Selective.
It's like the programmers were testing it and they decided it wasn't good enough.
Maybe it's actually leaking and it's data from the other worlds. Oh, deep. Like, ew. Oh, we're close enough to it.
They don't know what to enter.
Enter.
You were bending forward and saying, "Enter my bomb."
So gross. Like, oh my god, little robot one. Oh, hello. Break them open with my head. Alright, you guys. Oh, alright, it's just going up and down. Thought I heard one of the cats fall. I don't think they did, though.
No. Pretty sure those were the landlords coming from.
The lovely landlord. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Oh, I'm wondering how long that will be. Fine. Just put the last one here because we're lazy. Right at the end. Hey, look! I've got enough bolts for my new weapon.
Which is
The Walloper.
AKA the Punch Glove.
I only have 5. I'm missing one.
He probably was stuck somewhere. Scared and alone, wondering where his buddy went.
Or not.
Or yeah, he could just. Oh, there it is.
Yeah. No?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Here he's just stuck. Hello, guy. Come on. Let us go a sacrificing. You, come over here. You. Wait. Alrighty.
Yeah,
Oh, the air conditioner on.
I forgot to press the timer button again.
Alright, extra long episode. Don't press the button. why didn't they all turn green? I was right here.
I don't follow you anymore.
There we go. No. Enter. There we go. There we go. And anything.
Whoa, guys.
There we go. What the hell did I just say?
I don't know. What did you say?
I meant to say seriously, but it came out. Oh, there you go, you with my head.
Oh, awesome.
Seriously. Alright, what's this about? Nothing? Absolutely nothing? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, I think I get the O2 mask on some tropical island with a lot of fish. Ah!
Now you have shoe boots.
I have a magnetic personality. Ah!
You're so clever.
Oh, sometimes. Sometimes I wonder why I call this stuff. I'm so amazing. Don't you forget it. Huh. I kind of remember this part.
Kind of?
Yes.
Well, what's gonna happen?
Probably gonna die, so you get ready with that death counter. Aboard the murder train. There you go. Boop. Okay. And this. Connect this. Connect these. Okay, I may need to use the map here, because I... There.
That's pretty straightforward.
It does. This... Where are those coming from? Are the birdy things are dropping them?
It really makes more sense than what I thought was happening.
Are they pooping bombs on me?
It's primitive airstrip.
Well, I don't think I want to here yet. I think that's the way I got to go. There we go, look at these guys!
Oh, I forgot to check what time we started streaming it.
That was well, we've only done 2 episodes?
Yeah, so it was like 15 minutes ago. 10:30, let's say.
Wasn't very long.
No.
Go. Alright, you guys, come on. Can I have everybody? There's weaklings. We'll weed them out later. We will, save them for their parts.
We'll
like
reap their
little
souls.
wallies.
Reap their souls and use the body.
Yeah. Alright, so that way is the thingy.
Snake.
Snake?
We should play this for a while, and then we should play some PlayStation All-Stars. Just like a few matches. Just for fun.
Tonight?
Yeah.
If you can. I gotta get up early tomorrow because I'm a responsible adult that has to go to work.
I am also a responsible adult.
No, you're not.
Sometimes.
No, you're not.
Not as responsible as I could be.
No.
Did you lose some? You did.
No, I almost lost some. I did not.
I could stand to be a little bit more responsible
No!
as an adult, I guess.
Aww!
Snake!
I lost a bunch. Okay, come on, guys.
Do you need them all?
Yeah.
And then how are you gonna get it back?
Well, I have to go back to the bases. Alright, you guys wait. And I'll go and get the others. How many did I lose?
3, I think?
Was there 6 altogether?
I feel like there was 6.
Look at that one. The ones that I lost is right over here. And the beginning? Maybe?
It's more like the middle, isn't it?
I don't know.
I guess the beginning of this area.
Beginning of the end?
Yes.
One
The
in each
beginning
area.
of the end. The apocalypse is nigh. Soon, all robots will die.
It's a little sad. Does that mean all pacemakers will die?
I don't know, does a pacemaker count as a robot?
Oh my god.
It's a machine. I don't think it's a robot.
Well, what makes it a robot?
I think what makes a robot is that it has programming controlling it. I think a pacemaker is just a piece of machinery that just works. It works or it doesn't.
Oh! That was close. Did you
Snake, man. The snake was coming for you.
Hey guys, you wait a second. Alright, let's go. Go, 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 go. Everybody go. Go, 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 go.
It's like your
Alright,
box time.
what?
Oh.
Come on, you. Come on. There we go. Alright, got them all?
It reminds me of
let's
the sheep on Skylanders when you're trying to herd them. In like the challenges,
go. Oh
you
yeah.
need to collect the sheep and they're constantly falling behind.
Oh.
There you go.
All I heard from his scream, okay? I do all that.
Death number 33 is in the books.
Your books suck.
My book is one line, and everybody loves it. Everybody loves it.
Everybody loves somebody. Someone. Alright. Everybody stay alive. We don't want no screw-ups.
Stay alert, troops. This may be the beginning of the end of your lives,
Alright.
but it is
No!
a great mission.
Not that way. My screen, or my camera keeps tilting towards me. Like down close to the floor. It's very annoying.
The
Oh,
last one.
okay, I'll go back for him.
No man left behind.
I'm going back for him. Come on. Come on. Everybody come in. Almost there. Alright. Wait. Never very happy to wait. Alright. You're in codename douchebag. Come on, let's go.
I seriously just want to play all the games now.
All of them ever?
All of them. Oh. So, that is the end of this 10-minute segment. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.